Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to use the K35 wireless earphones, and I've already removed everything. I want to show you how to do it from scratch. So the first thing you have to do is to decide which of the mics you want to use. If you're going to be using it alone, then you take one. I mean, that's common knowledge, so I'll keep this one. And then you need to turn both the microphone and the receiver on. So you can just turn them on by pressing their power buttons. And see, this is the power button here, and this one is the other power button. So I'm going to press both of them, and it is showing a light blue light. This one is showing a green light, while this one is showing a light blue light. Now, according to the manual, this microphone has 3 modes: the amplifier mode, the camera mode, and I can't remember the third one. Let me just check the manual. I wish I would be able to show you, but you can see the 3 modes over here: the amplifier mode, the camera mode and phone mode, and finally the sound card mode. So we want to use the phone mode or camera mode, and right now, because this one is showing a light blue light, it is on mode 3, which is the sound card mode. So we want to get it to the phone/camera mode. So all we have to do is just press the power button once. Now this is a green light. I'm not sure you can see it as a green light because of the camera, but I can see it from here as a green light. So if I press it again, it is now a blue light, a dark blue light. So this is the phone mode. So you have to do this first before connecting the device to your phone. Like I said, you turn the device on, then you press here twice until this light is like dark blue before you can connect it to your device. So I'm going to turn on my device now and then connect it. So after connecting it, I'm going to open my recorder app to let you guys know that it is actually working. So I'm just going to tap recorder and start a new recording. And if I tap, you can see I'm tapping the microphone and it is reflecting here. If I tap this one, see, it is not reflecting, but this one is reflecting. So now I'm going to talk to the microphone, and I'm going to be playing this audio so that you guys can hear the difference. I am currently recording my voice using the wired mic and the K35 wireless mic, and you guys will be able to notice the difference from here. And yeah, that is how it sounds like. So I just stopped recording, and yes, I'm aware that most of you will be using your camera app to record your voice or your videos. So instead of opening the recorder app, just open the camera app. And then you just start talking. But first you turn on the receiver, and then you turn on the mic. You make sure this is dark blue before you connect it to your device, because if you connect it to your device before turning it on, it's not going to work. So that's a mistake many people may make. Alright, so hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and you can watch my initial review of the K35 mic, which is going to be on the screen right now. Alright, so I'll be seeing you in that video. Take care and bye bye.